I can show you how you can delete automatically the products, the media from the products that you have deleted. And it's very simple. Use just a plugin, install plugins. You're going to see there is no media at all, as you could see. So I've added code snippets, but you can also use other snippets. You can also use it in the PHP. I've also already showed you how you can do it with custom post types or with other posts, and I showed you how you can embed it into the PHP. But you can do so also with this code. Make sure that you have a backup and copy the PHP before you're doing it, because when something goes wrong, your whole site will be crashed. So when you go into the snippets, then you can see here a little bit of code. So we're adding it, and this is the code that you need, and this is defined empty task in 0 days, so it will automatically delete directly all the medias. But when you want to do it in 10 days, for example, then you must embed in here 10, so it will be 10 days or 1 day, whatever you want. It's up to you, but in this case we do it directly. Now if you want to grab this code, then you can use the black box extension. So you go to the Google extensions and then you choose for the black box extension, and you can use that. Let's see, it's here, black box, copy and paste. And when you are using that particular tool, then you can click on it and then you can grab the codes like this, and it's copied now, and then you can use it whatever you want, but we do it in here. It makes no sense at all, but anyway, you can use that extension. So I'll give you a little bit of time to grab the codes, and when you have done that, then you can choose for only run it in administrator area or run a snippet everywhere. And when you have, for example, a front end posts submissions for Woocommerce, and I also have showed you how you can do that, so that subscribers or customers can publish their own products, then you should choose for this one. So the run a snippet everywhere. So I recommend you to use this plugin and not use the PHP function. Always make a backup before you're doing this from your whole site. So we save the changes, and when we have done that, then we go into the once again to the media, so I can show you guys that nothing is added, only a placeholder. So when we go into the products and we're going to add a new products, then we are going to say this is a dog. I'm going to sell the dog, whatever, dog and text, and then we are using the products, and we're going to stencil. It's also a plugin that you can use to grabbing any picture that you want. So just use the plugin stencil, and here is our dog. Well, just use another dog, because well, he's good, he's cute, but we want to have doesn't matter at all. No, that's this one, I don't know. And then we insert, it's like the Muppet Show. This dog's from the Muppet Show. Then we wait a little bit. The internet is not so fast here. It's 100%. And this is the dog. Add to the media library. You want to use short pixels or something like that to optimize the pictures. This dog costs nothing. It's priceless. So this is all the products now, so we have one product is in stock. But when we go into the media, then we see here that the dog is here, and when we are going to the products, to all the products, and we are going to delete this product, you see it's permanently. You can choose anything else is permanently. And then we go into the media library, so the dog is gone. He has disappeared. So this is very useful, especially when you allow people to publish the products on the front end, and you don't want to go back every time to the website and to delete the media when there is no product at all. You can do it also with the post. Did I told you that all before in this tutorial? And with the advanced custom field post or something like that, or when you use the worker block front-end submissions, I've also made a tutorial about that. And when you want to know how you can do that, then you can watch the other tutorials. I also showed you how you can do it with the PHP. And I hope that this is a helpful tutorial for you. And subscribe if you didn't already. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.